Huawei's next flagship phone series is already becoming a big topic of discussion online. While most leaks usually focus on camera upgrades or performance improvements, this time the conversation is about something different: the design. Specifically, many people are wondering whether the upcoming Huawei Pura 90 series will finally get a new look, or if Huawei will stick with its familiar design language. Over the past few years, Huawei has built a very recognizable identity for the Pura lineup, especially when it comes to the camera module on the back of the phone. One of the most distinctive elements is the triangular camera layout, which instantly makes the device stand out from many other smartphones. But now, new leaks and concept renders have sparked a debate. Several tipsters recently shared images suggesting that Huawei might redesign the Pura series this year. Instead of the well-known triangular camera bump, the new design could introduce a horizontal camera bar across the back of the phone. This camera bar would reportedly look similar to the layout used in the Apple iPhone 17 Pro. If that sounds familiar, it's because Apple's design changes in recent years have influenced many smartphone brands. The large camera bar style has quickly become popular, especially among Chinese manufacturers. In fact, several devices have already followed a similar approach. Phones like the Xiaomi 17 Pro, the Honor 500 series, and the Power 2 models have adopted design elements that resemble Apple's camera layout. This trend shows how a single design change can quickly spread across the smartphone industry. Because of this trend, many people believed Huawei would also move in the same direction with the Pura 90 lineup. According to some renders circulating online, the new design would feature a wide camera bar stretching across the top portion of the phone's back. Inside that bar, the camera lenses would still be arranged in a triangular formation, but the entire structure would sit within a horizontal module. At first glance, this might look more modern and similar to other premium phones. However, not everyone is convinced that this change would be a good idea. One of the reasons Huawei's Pura lineup stands out is because it doesn't follow the same design language as everyone else. The triangular camera bump has become part of the brand's identity. For many fans, removing that unique design might actually make the phone look less distinctive. And now, a new twist has appeared in the story. According to a well-known Weibo tipster called Super Dimensional, Huawei might not change the design at all. Instead of switching to the Apple-style camera bar, the company may continue using its signature triangular camera bump. If this rumor turns out to be true, it would likely make many Huawei fans happy. Keeping the triangular layout would allow the Pura series to maintain its unique identity, in a market where many phones are starting to look similar. It's also worth mentioning that Huawei has already experimented with design changes in other product lines. For example, last year the company introduced new design ideas in the Huawei Mate series and the Huawei Nova series. Those updates refreshed the look of the devices while still keeping recognizable elements from previous models. The Huawei Nova 15 series even managed to blend modern design trends with Huawei's own signature camera ring style. Because of these changes in other lineup, many people expected the Pura series to receive a similar redesign this year. But Huawei might have decided that the Pura lineup already has a strong visual identity and doesn't need a dramatic change. Another reason Huawei may keep the same design is that the company is heavily focused on improving camera performance in the Pura series. The lineup has become famous for its advanced imaging technology, and many users care more about camera quality than cosmetic design changes. In other words, Huawei may choose to refine the camera system itself, instead of completely redesigning the camera module. Of course, it's important to remember that all of this information comes from leaks and rumors. Huawei hasn't officially revealed the design of the Pura 90 series yet. That means the final product could still surprise everyone. But for now, the big question remains: should Huawei stick with its iconic triangular camera design, or should it follow the industry trend and adopt a new camera bar layout? Some users prefer a fresh design every year, while others believe a strong identity is more important. Either way, when the Huawei Pura 90 series finally launches, its design will definitely be one of the most talked about aspects of the phone.